Hey, welcome back to Twin Trees Creative, it's Nick here. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. We've shown you one of our rooms before where we film quite a lot in our studio setup lighting videos that we've had before. My desk situation has been bugging me for literally since the end of March and I couldn't do anything about it. So let me just quickly show you what the issues were. And this is the main editing desk where I work at the moment. The problem is that my old desk, or my current desk rather, isn't wide enough to fit everything in. With microphone cases and books and stuff propping up my speaker, which is far from ideal. And then the tray which used to come out here to put my keyboard on also snapped, and I couldn't get it back in. I've been living with this for a while, and the problem is that when I sit down in front of it, the angle of it, I'm constantly like this. Even with my chair at full height, my neck's kind of like that, which isn't ideal, and I have to sit really close into the screen. I've gone out, got me a new desk. I'm going to put it together. First things first, I need to take this desk down. The old desk is down. It is so hot up here. I'm sweating just from literally undoing some bolts and pulling some bits of wood onto the floor. I searched on the internet, I looked on YouTube, and I think I've gone for a bit of a cliche desk, but I don't really care because I think it looks really cool. From IKEA, which is cost me about £220, I think, £230 maybe. It's not a desk necessarily, it's actually a kitchen unit. 186 centimeters wide, so that was the main reason why I've gone for it. It's 186 meters wide, 186 centimeters wide. Whoa. So it's 10:15 at night. I've been doing this now for nearly 3 hours, which seems insane. But I've taken the old desk down, put all that down the side of the house, brought the new drawers up, made the drawers, brought the desk top up, the kitchen top as it actually is. And this is what I've got so far. So that's the new look. Look at the top of that, looks nice. So I'm gonna call it a day for now. Absolutely starving, not eating any food yet. Need a shower. Nothing good's going to come of the rest of tonight, so we'll see you tomorrow. Welcome back. It's the next morning, up bright and early. The desk's still standing, so let's get this thing finished. So there we go, moving all this around in between two really busy days, absolutely sweltering still. I've got the blinds shut to try and keep the sun out, and I'm pretty sure I'm sweating a bit. The room looks fantastic, really happy with it. The desk is super cool, and the drawers either side are plenty big enough for all the bits and pieces and gadgets and wires and cabling and stuff that was kind of floating around the room before, which is really good. So we will see if what they say is true. Tidy desk, tidy mind. It certainly is a lot tidier in here, tidiest it's been for a long time. It looks pretty stylish too. Let us know what you think in the comments below, give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you like what you've seen today and you want to see more content. As fun as it's been sorting out this desk, it's a means to an end, and the end is getting some quality material out to clients and sharing that with you here on YouTube and over on Instagram. So time to get back to the real work.